Ditch the paper clutter and get paid faster by learning how to integrate Apple Pay into your invoices. Today, we'll walk through the simple steps to create Apple Pay Invoices, transforming how your customers settle up. First, make sure you're using an invoicing platform that supports Apple Pay. Popular options include Square, Stripe, PayPal, and Zoho Invoice. Check your current provider's features. Next, navigate to your account settings within your chosen platform. Look for sections like Payment Methods, Payment Integrations, or Digital Wallets. Locate the Apple Pay option and enable it. You might need to connect your Apple developer account or follow specific instructions to verify your business. Now, when creating a new invoice, ensure that Apple Pay is selected as a payment option. Your platform should automatically generate a payment link, QR code, or embedded payment button. Share the invoice with your customer. They can then tap the Apple Pay button on their device, authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID, and complete the payment instantly. By offering Apple Pay, you're streamlining the payment process, improving customer satisfaction, and boosting your business's cash flow.